Hello, so these are jumpers, bazita jumpers, of course muzimanyi battery jumpers. So mu video eno ngenda kulaga how to jump start a car. For example, you driver, so ojja kuyala ku jump startinga muno kizo kinaye ava ku Google. So I'm going to show you how to jump start a car in a professional and correct way, so without having any issues. Yeah, so zino jumpers actually ziri 2 meters long. So these are jumpers. This is the red. So probably this is the red crocodile clip. Yeah. Then we have the black one. Yeah. Actually, these are extra safe because this is plastic. So of course this is copper. So zine, of course we'll take we'll battery terminals. So I'm going to show you how to do it the correct way. Yes, but remember, when working on batteries, make sure you have safety goggles. Very, very important, because you are dealing with acids. Then nature color gloves, also very important. Safety first. So ngenda kulaga engeri gy'okola ki gy'oku jump starting the car in a correct and professional way without having any issues. So basically, in this scenario, yes, so the car with this car with the white battery, with the gold color, has the dead battery. So this car has the donor battery. So in battery nam. So in a battery. So basically, chocolate. But then before that, make sure that the motor car wajeko engine was jeko zonna. Yene ina battery and for the yene ina battery na engine was jeko. Then wherever nga zi automatic nga ziri mu parking position. Whereas nga ne handbrakes was said nga was applying. Weziba nga ziri manual, of course, so kuwanga ki nga ziri mu neutral nga zine handbrakes was applying there. So that's a safety precaution. So kati chokola, you say, so ukwata jumper, the red jumper, you can go positive terminals. So NDMA ojiteke ku dead battery nga olabao, then end endala ojiteke ku positive ya battery nam, as you see there, 1 2. Then you kwate the black jumper NDMO ojiteke ku negative battery ya battery namu, terminal ya battery namu. Then NDMO ojiteke ku frame a motor in a battery info. Yes, that's how it's done. So right here NDMO black jumper etujiteka ku direct to ku negative ya battery info. Right, these batteries when charging they emitting out hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas is highly explosive, like akwata mango muliro. So in unlikely scenario, for example, wabanga, for example, positive negative, number 4 ng'ogitadde buteesi ku negative, clamp ogitadde eya negative ogitadde butaazi ku this negative terminal eya dead battery, ojja kwekanga nga it will spark. So if you are not lucky, the battery might explode. Remember, you are dealing with acids. You might end up being blown, then no damaging any motor car, then now in obulamu. So that's why it's always advisable just odyatachinga ku frame, yeah, cause oba extra safe kitegeera. So kati then kasomala ekyo nga omaze ziconnectinga bulungi, then tandika but emotoka erina battery namu, tandika emotoka erina battery namu, yeah, then wamala okugignitinga then girekemu like for like naweza 5 minutes so that ebirenga ewa isikyawa ku battery no enfu for some time. Then kati ekyo wamala okimala, then battery nenfu, emotoka ena battery enfu nayo tandika ignition. So otandika ignition, of course eja powering out engine. Then kati then olina okuzijjako gino jumpers in the reverse way. The jumpers neno olina kuzijjako in the reverse way. Like otandika nakujjako nga wonalaba in these numbers, nika kujjako 4 3 2 1. So kiba kitegeeza eno gyewatadde ku frame negative clamp gyewatadde ku frame gyosooka okujjako, then nojjako eri eya dead battery eya live battery ebadde namu nayo nogijjako, then nojjako positive eya battery namu, then nokomekereza ne clamp ebadde ku positive ya battery enfu. So that's how you can do it the correct way and the very professional way. So with that you will have no other issues, because wano kibaba bewala explosion. Yes, that's it. Any sparks, tujja kuba na issues with sparks and then explosion probably. So that's it.